Hello everyone. So today again we are here to see one of the most common clinical disease patient that comes to us on our daily basis in our OPD, and that is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism, we all might be knowing that it is very common in the society. Many of our relatives are suffering from hypothyroidism. When we talk about hypothyroidism, we should remember that it is more common in females than males, but we get patients of both sexes having hypothyroidism. What is important for us is how can we diagnose hypothyroidism mere by the look of the patient clinically, because there are some peculiar findings of hypothyroidism by the mere look of which you can diagnose that this patient can be a probable case of hypothyroidism. See, thyroid hormone is very important for the proper functioning of all metabolic things in our body, starting from our cardiovascular system to our brain to our skin, etc., menstruation, etc. So these patients usually present to us with common clinical features like easy fatigability, depression, mood changes. Females have menstrual abnormalities. Patients can have constipation, their skin become dry, they gain weight, the face become puffy. There is a history of sudden change or new onset hoarseness of voice. So these all are the things which gives us a clue that this patient can be a probable case of hypothyroidism. Whenever you are checking these patients, remember, commonly hypothyroidism patients will have a reduced pulse rate. They will have 60 or maybe sometimes decreased pulse rate, bradycardia. When you check the blood pressure of the patient, the peculiarity of hypothyroidism blood pressure is diastolic hypertension, which means that your systolic blood pressure can be normal, but diastolic should be raised because of excessive amount of accumulation of glycosaminoglycans in the bodies. So the diastolic blood pressure can be in the range of 90, 98, 100, etc. So diastolic blood pressure raise is a clinical peculiarity of hypothyroidism. So all these things should help you to make a clinical diagnosis as soon as such patients come to you. Fortunately, we have multiple patients today with us who are having very classical findings of hypothyroidism, with one patient suffering from congenital hypothyroidism. Unfortunately, he was not diagnosed during his birth, hence today he is 18 years of age, but yet he is dwarf with all the classical findings of hypothyroidism. So let us see these patients one by one. This is the female who is suffering from hypothyroidism. All these patients that we have, they are new onset hypothyroidism. They were not diagnosed earlier on. All these were diagnosed last Monday by us mere by the clinical looks, and when we sent the TSH of all these patients, they were more than 100, all these three. This is the female with classical swollen face, swollen eyes, brittle hair. See, her skin is absolutely coarse. If I just scratch it gently, there will be white line developing, which indicates that it is absolutely dry. The hand is a bit yellow. This is the case of congenital hypothyroidism. He was not diagnosed at birth, hence it was neglected, and now this patient has become dwarf. If I make him stand, he is 18 years of age. I am 5'5" and he is 18 years of age, yet around 4 feet. If you can see this patient, he has developed this classical puffiness of the face, brittle hair, absolutely brittle hair. The skin is again dry and scaly. The hand is a bit pale. Not necessarily it means that he has anemia, but some associated findings of hypothyroidism. Again, she is a classical case of hypothyroidism. This female presented to me with menstrual abnormalities and constipation with change of voice. If you see her skin, again it is absolutely dry. The face is puffy. The eyes are swollen. Classical case of hypothyroidism. If you want to hear the hoarseness of voice, we can also make her talk a bit so that we can diagnose what is the problem with her voice. तमार तकलीफ बोलो जरा.
मैं गला में नस भी सबकी.
See, if you pay attention to your voice, clearly you can make that this is a hoarse voice. कुछ बोलिए वापस आपकी तकलीफ बोलिए. हाँ. बोलिए तकलीफ बोलिए.
बोलिए तकलीफ आ रही है और रोटी जल्दी नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है. So classically these patients are the hypothyroid patients that we saw in our last OPD, and because we knew the clinical findings of hypothyroidism, we could clinically diagnose these patients as hypothyroidism, which proved out to be severe hypothyroidism, because all these patients, 3 patients, have their TSH levels which is more than 100, and we are now treating these patients. This dwarfism won't get corrected, but we can just prevent the future complications of hypothyroidism. So I hope that all of you might now not miss any patient of hypothyroidism that comes to you in your OPD, in your medical college, in your wards, etc. And this is how we keep learning. So I thank everyone for your patient learning, and I hope that we will be coming soon with more patients like this. So this was hypothyroidism for you all. Thank you so much.